Before diving into the development process, it is crucial to first understand the market by researching user preferences, competitor features, and industry trends. Conduct in-depth market research to determine your target market, considering variables like age, location, hobbies, and preferred relationships. Additionally, research competitors to discover what makes them unique and how to set your app apart. Learn from successful dating apps like OkCupid, Bumble, and Tinder to understand their features and user interface, and think about adding similar components to your project. To build an app like Tinder, it is crucial to have a clear concept that resonates with your target audience. Examine the dating app market to find gaps or neglected niches. By focusing on a smaller target group, you may better customize your app to suit their needs and desires. Develop a clear value proposition that conveys the unique selling propositions clearly to the users. Brainstorm unique and innovative features to increase user engagement and encourage recurring use, such as gamification features, video profiles, and local events. To build a successful dating app like Tinder, it's crucial to understand the essential features that make it so popular. User profiles should allow users to build a profile that includes their contact details, hobbies, and images. The swipe feature, where swiping right indicates interest and left indicates passing over a profile, is essential. A matching algorithm that considers factors like proximity, age, and common interests is important. The chat feature should be secure and easy to use. Including geolocation functionality and push notifications will keep users engaged and informed. Analyze your target audience and research existing dating apps to identify the features that are considered essential. Begin wireframing using specialized tools like Sketch, Adobe XD, or Balsamiq to start creating your app's basic layout and structure. Focus on key screens such as login, sign up, user profiles, swiping feature, and chat interface. Get feedback from potential users or beta testers to validate your wireframes and iterate on your design. Once satisfied, convert wireframes into visually appealing mockups using tools like Figma, InVision, or Adobe Photoshop. When building a dating app like Tinder, one of the most crucial aspects to consider is the backend development. The backend manages the storage and retrieval of user information, matching algorithms, and user communication. Choose the right technology stack, such as Ruby on Rails, Node.js, or Django. Set up a well-optimized database, implement secure user authentication mechanisms, and develop robust matching algorithms. Integrate a real-time messaging system using technologies like WebSockets or MQTT. Incorporate third-party APIs for additional features and thoroughly test the backend for performance and security. Building a dating app like Tinder in front-end development requires a user-friendly interface, seamless swiping functionality, and engaging visual design. Create a responsive design that adapts to different platforms to ensure a seamless user experience. Leverage modern technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript to build a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. Implement real-time matching and chat capabilities using technologies like WebSocket or Firebase. Ensure the app is visually appealing and easy to navigate to enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Encourage users to provide feedback during testing and address bugs or issues promptly to enhance user satisfaction. Thoroughly test the app for performance, scalability, and security issues. Implement monitoring tools to detect and resolve bottlenecks in the app's backend infrastructure. By thoroughly testing and addressing any issues, you can ensure your app delivers a reliable and enjoyable user experience. Example: during testing, it was discovered that the matching algorithm was not accurately pairing users based on their preferences, which was then fine-tuned for better matches. Before launching your app, building anticipation and generating buzz is crucial. Start a teaser campaign by releasing sneak peeks, teasers, and behind-the-scenes content to create excitement among your target users. Build an email list to gauge interest and communicate directly with potential users. Leverage social media platforms to build a community around your app and engage with your audience. Share relevant content, update the app's progress, and interact with users to keep them excited. A well-executed pre-launch marketing strategy can significantly boost your app's initial user base and engagement.